You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
There's nothing more helpful than hearing from someone who's been in your shoes. And today, we're going to share Grace's experience moving to Beijing with her family and how SDC made her journey simple, smooth, and successful. Here's how it started. Grace was offered a corporate role in Beijing with 2 young children and a home full of cherished belongings. She was overwhelmed. International shipping seemed like a mountain. Grace chose SDC after reading glowing reviews and speaking with one of our relocation consultants. She loved the detailed breakdown of services, packing by professionals, creating a compliant inventory list, and containerized shipping, FCL. Finally, the full custom handling and delivery. We handled her packing in California using international approved materials. Our crew labeled, inventoried, and carefully crated everything. Her belongings were shipped in a 40-foot FCL. Meanwhile, Grace flew with her essentials and picked up a custom declaration form upon arrival. With her stamped form and visa ready, we cleared her shipment smoothly through customs. Her container arrived just 3 days after she got her keys. Our local agent coordinated delivery, assembled the large furniture, and even unpacked the kitchen. Here's what Grace said. Packing, custom paperwork, delivery, and unpacking, they went above and beyond. Amazing job, guys. Thank you. Are you inspired by Grace's story? Let SDC take the stress out of your journey. Request a free quote today. Visit our website or give us a call.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.